Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change AutoSave time in Microsoft Word, Excel and PPT. So you can very easily change AutoSave. So first you need to open your Microsoft Word or Excel or PPT and click on File and this last options, just click on it. Now click on in this list, click on save, and right side you see this option in save documents, save auto recover information every so adjust minutes in 12 minutes and like 10 or 5 you select your minutes and click on OK. Like I will select 10 minutes and click on OK. So time will be changed. So very easy and quick way you can change auto save time in Microsoft Word, Excel and PPT. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.